Once you begin working with Nuendo extensively, you'll find yourself wanting to recall similar project options and settings every time you start a new project. You may also find yourself requiring different setup environments for different types of projects. This is where the power of templates comes into play. Nuendo comes with a variety of templates included, but it also gives you the ability to create your own templates as well. This is a very powerful feature I recommend that you take the time to carefully learn and understand, as this will ensure a consistent and stable work environment for you, no matter what type of project you're working on. The template function is found within the main file menu. Choosing this option opens up a dialog box that gives you the option to name the templates. Once a template is saved, Nuendo will put it into the main template directory on your hard drive. This allows you to manage the templates and delete or copy any of them as you see fit. These templates can then be called up when starting a new project. The template dialog box will open up when creating a new project, and you will see your new template listed. So let's create a template that we'll use for all CD mastering projects. First, we start with a clean slate by choosing the empty template. Now let's set our project options first. We'll set our bit depth to 24-bit. Hopefully you're getting your master material in 24-bit formats. Next, we'll add one stereo audio track. I also like my time display to always show, so we'll add that as well. I also like to arrange my windows to a specific layout. And one last thing, we'll add a UV22HR plugin on the insert of the master bus output, since we'll be dithering our final results down to 16-bit format for final burn down to CD. There, we're all set. Now we want to always use this setup as a starting point when creating CD masters. So we'll choose the Save Template option. We'll name it 16-bit CD Mastering. And we're done. Now let's pretend for a moment that we're starting a new CD project. First, we'll go to File and choose New Project. Then, we'll choose the 16-bit CD master template that's available in the list. That's it. We're done. Our project is set up and ready to go. So as you can see, we've learned that templates provide a quick and easy way to recall specific project layouts and settings based on the type of projects you have. By creating templates, you have the power to fully customize the Nuendo environment specific to the types of projects you find yourself working on the most. Ultimately, this ensures that you have a consistent and flawless environment for each type of project, since it's always easy to forget the smallest details.